Hello children, I hope you're following the tip number 1 that we have shared in the beginning of the 30-day listening challenge. So now that you're already part of this 30-day mini course, we have tip number 2 for you. What you have to do is, once you're done with the listening module, you have to read the audio script in order to understand each of the dialogue clearly. See, it is very important that you follow both these tips religiously for next 30 days in order to see tremendous growth in your score. And I guarantee you that you will see a rise of at least 10 marks, if not more. So here's how the process goes. If you are new to this channel, step 1 is to watch the video that has listening tip number 1. Step 2 is to practice the listening test at night. Step 3 is to read the audio script. And step 4 is to experience the magic.
ओके सो द क्वेश्चन नाउ इज ये ऑडियो स्क्रिप्ट आपको मिलेगा कहाँ? आपको इंग्लिश वर्ड्स के पेज पे जाना है. जैसे आप नीचे जाएंगे, सपोज हमने इस लिसनिंग के ऊपर क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे मोर का ऑप्शन आपको दिखेगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. जैसे आप नीचे जाते हो, यहाँ पे एक शो ट्रांसक्रिप्ट का ऑप्शन आपको दिखेगा. उसके ऊपर आप क्लिक करो, आपको सारा स्क्रिप्ट लिखा हुआ मिलेगा एंड आप इसको पढ़ सकते हो इन ऑर्डर टू क्लियर योर डाउट्स.
Hope this helps everybody. Follow us for more. Thank you. God bless.